Welcome to 𝐸-𝐚𝐾's training video. On the tablet, press and hold the power button until the Abrites logo is displayed. Run DiagProg5 app from the main screen. Open the Google Play Store. At the top right, tap the profile icon, tap Manage Apps and Device, and then tap the update available. Select DiagProg5 app and tap Update. From the Bluetooth settings of the tablet, select your VCI. Run DiagProg5 app on the tablet screen. Create a directory where application data will be saved. It is recommended to create a DP5 folder on the root directory. Tap Accept and run DP5 app. Tap Set Default VCI. Select your VCI and connect by Bluetooth. Then connect VCI by Wi-Fi. Tap Update Manager and download all necessary files, such as flash files, descriptions. From the main screen, select Settings and Download Update. Activation and Download Update for your VCI. Have a good programming. 𝐸-𝐚𝐾's team.